What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for SoFi Technologies with the ticker symbol SOFI. I will first be going over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So what happened since last week, Monday? You can see that price was trading right around the mid $15 level, and then we did see the breakdown lower to the lower $14 level. That's where this red circle represents. So that target was reached, so we can go and erase that. And you see that the measurement target was reached as well. One leg down right here. Second leg down, target reached at the $14 level. That's exactly where price bounced off of, and that was the prior breakout zone. So it's important, the bulls stay above that level. However, we did see price push up higher on Monday, and now Tuesday we are seeing a rejection off this range lows of 1525. So this is the range right here. Generally, price will trade inside of it, and if it breaks out, normally it will fail. But whenever you see price come back to it and find resistance, there's a good chance it can continue trending down lower, especially because it looks like there's this bearish trend line still in play. So that tells me that the bears are still dominating in the short term, and we could see maybe a retest of the $14 level before price is ready to go up higher. Bulls did also lose their bullish trend line, so they lost their momentum, and right now the bears have control of the market. So we'll see what happens. This may lead to a bigger size correction for SoFi. But as long as it stays above the $14 level, I think it's still very good. So overall, we'll see what happens. This might be just a higher low. So we could see price bounce up, drop down like we are seeing right now, and then just break out higher, make a higher low than the previous low. So that's definitely a possibility. So it's not as clear of which direction it wants to go, up or down. It's kind of neutral with a slight downward bias because we're below the bearish trend line and we're below the range. So it is more bearish than bullish, but it's not as bullish as, let's say right over here, right? That was more certain we were going to drop down lower. In this case, we could drop down lower, but just as easily we can break through that trend line and push up higher. But I would keep an eye on the $14 level because that's a important level that the bulls need to maintain as support. Let's say we do break down lower. Is it the end of the world? No, it's not, because on the weekly chart, it shows that we can probably trade down to the mid 13s and still be kind of fine, maybe even the low 13s. That's where the EMA is. Looks like price is probably just catching up. A lot of these stocks look very similar, like Tesla, PayPal, and now even SoFi, meaning like we're far away from the EMA after this large impulse up. So again, looks very similar. All these charts looks like they're just due for a bigger correction than we have seen. So overall, most likely we'll continue down lower, but even then, I'm expecting higher prices, regardless if we go lower or not. As long as you don't go lower too much. You don't want to see a crash happen or a very sharp move, because that could change the overall context. Context is still up long term, short term, most likely down. So all I have for SoFi Technologies on the daily and weekly charts. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.